Some good and some bad news for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. As we are getting closer to the launch of iPhone 14 Pro Max, we started getting confirmed news regarding the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And top of the list is the first user experience of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Not even that, we get the news regarding the cameras and the new pill hole display. According to the sources, iPhone 14 Pro Max were going to hit the market on September 7th along with iPhone 14, 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro. But previous leaks are also suggesting two different dates. First, it was 13th of September and then 6th of September. So we can count on these three dates for the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro Max event. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the new cameras on iPhone 14 Pro Max? What are your thoughts on battery percentage on iOS 16? Ahead of its launch, iPhone 14 Pro Max was hands-on by a leaked Apple Pro source, where he explained everything, the issues and problems, and what are the goods and bad things in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. According to him, the new pill hole display doesn't add anything new, just like the notch, and once you get used to it, it's gone. And one thing is certain, that iPhone 14 Pro Max will be a really heavy phone, as according to the source, it's thick and feels like a brick. As we all know, iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 14 will power the 48 megapixel main sensor, a big jump over the last year iPhone 13 Pro Max, just 12 megapixel sensor. But to my surprise, the iPhone 13 Pro Max performs better than the iPhone 14 Pro Max in night photography, where iPhone 14 Pro Max added the noise. And for this, Apple needs to optimize the iPhone 14 Pro Max camera for it. And the camera housing will be bigger than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, just because putting a new 48 megapixel sensor, but Apple should manage this since it started getting worse every year passing. It's certain that the iPhone 14 Pro Max will give a couple of more hours of battery backup than the last generation iPhone 13 Pro Max, and iPhone 13 Pro Max is already a champ in the battery comparison with any other phone. As with the previous leaks, we get an iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector showing for a pill hole display, and it's not a surprise since we already know that Apple is going with the new display on iPhone 14 Pro Max. And one thing that we started getting the iPhone 14 Pro Max Chinese copies in the market, which looks exactly the same as iPhone 14 Pro Max, and even if you put iPhone 14 Pro Max case on it, it will work for their models. Strange. In the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro Max event, we are not just getting the iPhone 14 lineup, but also iOS 16. From that, we might get older devices getting an update of iOS 16. So if you want a battery percentage and new wallpaper features, you should go for iOS 16. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the new cameras on iPhone 14 Pro Max? And what are your thoughts on battery percentage on iOS 16? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.